Hello everyone! Today, I'm sharing 3 no-cook salad recipes are ready in just 10 minutes. Ready in 10 minutes. Calories 285 per serving. Protein 10 grams per serving. 1 black bean corn salad. Ingredients. Before you start, read ingredients carefully. Add the black beans, corn, and vegetables to a large bowl. Drizzle with olive oil and lime juice. Season with salt and black pepper. Mix well and serve immediately. Benefits. High in fiber. Good source of plant protein. Rich in vitamins. Keeps you full longer. Approximate nutrition per serving. About 285 calories. 10 grams of protein. 36 grams of carbohydrates. 10 grams of fiber. And 10 grams of fat. 2 tuna veggie salad. Ingredients. Before you start, read ingredients carefully. Place lettuce into a serving bowl. Add tuna and chopped vegetables. Drizzle olive oil and lemon juice. Season with salt and pepper. Mix gently and serve. Benefits. High in protein. Low in carbohydrates. Rich in omega-3 fats. Keeps you energized. Approximate nutrition per serving. About 260 calories. 25 grams of protein, 9 grams of carbohydrates, 3 grams of fiber, and 14 grams of fat. 3 avocado, cucumber, tomato salad. Ingredients. Before you start, read ingredients carefully. Dice the avocado, cucumber, and tomatoes. Add everything to a bowl. Drizzle with olive oil and lime juice. Season with salt and pepper. Mix gently and serve. Benefits. Rich in healthy fats. Good source of fiber. Hydrating and refreshing. Supports heart health. Approximate nutrition per serving. About 270 calories. 4 grams of protein, 17 grams of carbohydrates, 8 grams of fiber, and 21 grams of fat. Which salad would you try first? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more easy, healthy, and delicious recipes every day. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.